Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make classic omelette. This omelette recipe is very easy to make. You need only 2 ingredients to make the omelette. It's egg and cheese. For this recipe I need 2 eggs, 4 to 5 tablespoons of shredded cheese. I have mozzarella cheese, but you could use your favorite cheese. A pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 2 eggs in a bowl. Mix it very well. Put the frying pan on the stove, turn on the heat on medium, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil on the bottom of the pan, let it warm up, and add the scrambled egg into the center of the pan. Make this nice circle round shape. Cook this for about a minute and make a little small holes with spatula on the parts of the scrambled egg that's a little bit liquidy. It helps the omelette to cook evenly, and we cook this till the other side is almost done but not completely done. After cooking it for a minute to a minute and a half, add the shredded mozzarella cheese on the one side of the omelette. Then fold the omelette with your spatula and cook both sides till it's nice, golden and crispy. So I just folded this. I cooked that side for 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna flip it to make the other side nice and crispy and golden. This classic, delicious, healthy omelette is ready. I'm gonna plate it. I'm serving this healthy breakfast omelette with fresh avocado, strawberries, bagel, sprinkle a little bit salt and a little bit black pepper on top of the omelette, and enjoy this delicious homemade omelette with a cup of hot coffee. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe. Thank you for watching.